This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Australians' obsession with consumption. Now, I don't know if in your shires the councils do a free clean-up every year, but all across my shire, once a year it happens. And travelling around yesterday, I noticed the strange thing that happens here, which is it seems that the lower socio-economic places and residents are the ones that put out the most rubbish, bought in some Chinese reject or cheap shop. Now, you've only got to drive past coffee shops at 8:30 in the morning and the tradies are all standing around having a chinwag and drinking coffee, and all you can see coming into town after 9 o'clock is Porsche SUVs and BMW SUVs, and yet all you can hear from everybody is the cost of living. The cost of living. What's going to be done by the government? Well, the first thing that can be done is you people stop your fucking madness with consumption and start living within your means. Average tradie vehicle is about $100,000 with a $20,000 trailer behind it with God knows what's in it. And all you need to do the same job is a $5,000 to $10,000 Commodore ute. But no, we've got to impress everybody. And all the women are driving around in brand new four-wheel drives that they have no control over. And everyone's constantly whinging about the cost of living. But just don't miss out on your cartons of beer and wine and your dope. No, but it's someone else's fault. And the proof is in the pudding when you drive down the street and see the stuff, and so much of this stuff is good stuff that some other idiot comes behind and picks up and sells in a garage sale or probably throws out next year. The mountains of it through the towns I went through yesterday was unbelievable. And yet, the cost of living. Well, changes are coming. And if you don't get your act together and stop being so stupid, when the little Chinese man comes in and tries to take control, you'll have no fucking choice. Wake up, Australia, it's time, and stop whinging and have a look at the way you're all carrying on. This is Harry Vocal.